वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली साऊद आनी भलायकेन. आनी टुडे आय एम कम अप इन माय कुकिंग चॅनल how to make Mangalorean banana buns or Mangalorean buns. For that we need 2 cups of refined wheat flour. Sizes of cups is easily available at Amazon. You can check my link. Then you need 4 bananas. So these are the smaller size of green bananas. So I have taken this 4 bananas because they are small in size. If you are taking big one, then 2 is enough. Then we'll be needing half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of curd. So 1 or 2 tablespoon you can take. So I will be taking 2 tablespoon of curd, thick curd. Then 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar and pinch of salt. So these are the things what we need for our banana buns, and water to knead the flour. So first thing what we have to do is mash this banana. So either you can use mixer grinder or you can mash this banana in a masher. So peel the bananas and then mash it. Banana has to be ripe nicely. So whichever way is easy you can do. You can do it in mixer or you can use your masher. So these are असा Mangalorean buns. तांकां लागून केळाची गरज आसा आनी जे हांवें सामग्री दाखयल्या पळय ते आतां हांकां सगळ्यांक मॅश करूंक जाय बनानाक. ओ मिक्सरार जाय जाल्यार मिक्सराचेर करात. सो हे आतां मॅश जालें. 2 मिनिट्सान मॅशिंग आमचें जालें. सो हियर इज आवर मॅश्ड बनानाज आर रेडी टू गो इन अ banana bun. So now we will prepare our dough. Add our half teaspoon of baking soda, powdered sugar, so 1 or 2 teaspoon you can take accordingly how much you want. Salt to taste. A pinch of salt is fine for this. And we will add our curd to this. Then we have to add some cumin seed also, crushed cumin seed. So 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Just crush this. And add this to our dough. Now we'll add our banana. And make a dough out of this. If needed, add water to this. So this is Mangalorean style banana buns. So it's done. So if you need while making your dough, if you need little bit more dry flour, then you can use little bit. So it's done. You can apply oil also and leave it for few minutes. Apply little ghee and we'll keep this for few minutes. Till then you can keep oil for frying. So it says deep fry. So how much you need to fry the oil, fry this buns? Less oil also possible. Now let's make buns and fry buns. So take a small a ball. And roll this to a thick. So at least this much is needed, the thickness of the bun. Kindly check my Goan buns also. So enough. So this much thick at least we need for our buns. Now let's fry this. Oil is hot. I'm keeping it on medium flame. So the oil is hot. Now we'll add this into our oil. So I have taken very less oil, a small container and a lot less oil. Oil need to be hot. It's done. Hope you all will enjoy this buns, Mangalorean buns. So always see that the thickness is little bit more because it is called buns. Okay. See, very little oil. It's not like lots of oil I have added. This is enough.
And here it is, Mangalore style banana buns. Lovely and tasty, so fluffy. Look at this. Try this at home. Thank you.